Here are some simple and useful tips to show you how to print text messages from iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11 X's Max XCR X9 plus 876S for a long reservation. Part 1. The easiest way to print text messages from iPhone within 3 steps. Before you take actions, you should pick up a tool to help you to achieve this goal. To print messages from iPhone, Mobikin Assistant for iOS is a powerful and reliable tool that modern people like to use. Steps: how to print texts from iPhone by using Assistant for iOS. Step 1. Run the program and link your iPhone to the computer. Step 2. Select the text messages you want to print. Step 3. How to print off text messages from iPhone. Part 2. How to print out text messages from iPhone via email. Step 1. Email iPhone texts. Open Messages app, pick a convo, and access it. Step 2. Extract text. Long press info, tap copy, and pop up. Collect multiple messages too. Step 3. Now open the Mail app on your iPhone and log into your account. Draft a new email, and then press and hold the body of the message to get various options. Select the Paste button to paste the text message you just copied into the body of the message and save it as a draft. Step 4. Access the email account you just used on your computer and open the message you just saved. Now, you can print this email containing your text message to paper using your local printer. Part 3. How to print messages from iPhone by taking screenshots. Step 1. Screenshot iPhone texts. Open Chat, hold Home plus Power or Volume Up plus Power on No Home button iPhones. Step 2. Once the flash appears on the screen, or if you hear a beep, it means the screenshot is complete. At this point, you can tap Done in the top left corner and select Save to Photos. Step 3. Go to the Photos app and find and select the screenshot you want to print. Click on the square with an arrow pointing upwards, and you will see the Print button. Press this button to start printing the screenshot you selected.